So today I'm going to make these super healthy energy bars. Got some of my ingredients mapped out right there. So one of my projects during the whole quarantine situation here is I've been making this recipe book. I have a ton of recipes from my whole life, and they're all just loose cutouts like this, handwritten notes and cards and articles from magazines. So I got them all sorted into categories, and then I'm making them on the computer into these pages. And I decided to put them in these plastic sheets so that like when I have it in the kitchen, in case you spill on it, you can just wipe it off. So these are going to be some ultra healthy, kind of like granola bar type things. So we're going to melt in the pan a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup of honey. And then some of the dry ingredients here, we've got oats, quick oats, shredded coconut, which I'm supposed to have a 1/2 cup, but I only have a 1/4 cup, so we use that. I've got some chopped up dates. It was supposed to be chopped dried apricots, but I don't have those. And then sunflower seeds, some chopped dried cranberries, some cacao nibs, and then we're also going to be using applesauce, vanilla, some ground flax seed that's in here, cinnamon, and sea salt. Okay, so this is a fairly easy and straightforward recipe. There's a lot of ingredients, but it's pretty easy to make. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix all your dry ingredients except for your flax, ground flaxseed, in a large bowl. And then in a small saucepan, you're going to melt together your peanut butter, honey, and coconut oil. Using a whisk helps to break up any lumps or clumps of peanut butter or coconut oil that you might have in there. So you want to just make sure that's good and all melted together. Once that's done, you can turn off the heat and just set it there for a minute. Here I'm adding in the spices, cinnamon and salt and nutmeg. I believe I was out of nutmeg when I made these. It would have definitely added a nice flavor though. Once you have that all mixed up, looks like I was having trouble with some of the cranberries there. They were clumping together. Okay, so once that's all mixed up and you've got your stuff melted together, we're going to combine the melted ingredients with the applesauce and the vanilla and your ground flaxseed. And then when I made this, the recipe does call for chia seeds, but I did not put those in this time because Ed doesn't really like the chia seeds, so I left those out. That is the ground flaxseed going in. We're going to mix that all with the whisk. I guess I probably could have used a medium saucepan. It's looking pretty full. So we're just going to combine that together. Once that's all mixed up, you're simply going to combine your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients and mix it up really well. Once you've got everything all well incorporated, you're going to take a 13x9 pan and you're going to line it with wax paper. And you're going to transfer your batter to that. The wax paper actually tends to stick a little bit, so I think next time I do this, I'll spray the wax paper with cooking spray first. Once you get it all in there, you just want to kind of mash it down and spread it out. Make it into a nice rectangle shape. Looks nice. Then we're going to put that into our preheated oven, 325 degrees, and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. RV oven will probably take longer. Hey Bandit, how's it going? How's it going, buddy? What are you up to today? Sleeping? And then eating? And then sleeping? And then eating and sleeping? Okay, good plan. Okay, so this has been in the oven. Excuse me. This has been in the oven for about 50 minutes. And RV ovens always take longer, so it might not take as long in a regular house oven. They feel really hot, so they're going to take a while to cool off before we can even try them. So, but they smells amazing. Smells really peanut buttery. I'm anxious to try them, see what they taste like. Okay, so Ed, how's the energy bars?
Good. They're good.
Well, you're standing over the stove eating them. I feel like that's a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me try a bite. Yeah, they're stuck to the wax paper a bit, huh?
Well, maybe if you take the whole thing out, put it.
Yeah, they're still pretty warm too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let it harden up.
Oh. They're good. That's like a granola bar. All right, success.